Divisibility rule of 7 is start from rightmost. Take a group of Take a group of 3 digits, alternatively add and subtract. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 divided by, take a group of 3 digits and do alternatively plus minus. Alternatively plus minus. So only one option is saying, right? So beyond what you can learn from on your own, if you are sitting in my class, at the end of the class, you should wait for my next class or your notes should be full. I am sure few students who are writing notes will realize, I am sure till now half of the full long notebook must be over and it is nothing but full of concepts. Right? Answer for this question. I told that remainder is 4. Where did I say that 333 is divisible by 7? I am taking this example to determine the remainder. Sai, why are you getting confused? I said what is the remainder when you divide by 7? I got the answer 4. Did I say that 333 is divisible by 4? Why are you assuming that I said and contributing it to me? I never said that. Right? Haritha, start from rightmost, take a group of 3 digits. Few examples. Divisibility rule of 7. Few examples. Divisibility rule of 7. Few examples. Few examples. Suppose if 3 digits are there. 3 digits are there. 243. 243 divided by 7. 7 3s are 21. 33. 7 7s are 49. Remainder is 4. If 3 digits are there, directly divide by 7. If 4 digits are there, 1, 2, 3, 4. Start from rightmost. Take a group of 3 digits. Alternatively add and subtract. 234 minus 1 is 233 divided by 7. 7 3s are 21. 23. 7 3s are 21 2. If more than 4 digits are there, 112, 112, take a group of 3 digits. Alternatively add and subtract. 112 minus 112 is 0. Please write down a point here. Any 3-digit number written in even number of times, is divisible by 7. Please write down this point. Any 3-digit number written even number of times. Any 3-digit number written even number of times. You take a 3-digit number, write it even number of times. It is always divisible by 7. You write a 3-digit number even number of times. It will be divisible by 7. Any 3-digit number written even number of times is always divisible by 7. For example, 234, 234, 234, 234. Take a group of 3 digits. Alternatively plus minus. Alternatively plus minus. So this is perfectly divided by 7. If this is n. Take a group of 3 digits. Alternatively plus minus. Alternatively plus minus. I cannot explain divisibility rule up to 15, right? When I discuss the divisibility rule, I will explain, right? If I take your query tomorrow, one more student will ask one more query. I am not a private tutor to anybody, right? Giving my time and taking live class itself, after some days you will realize that it's a blessing for you, right? plus minus, remainder is 0. Next, one more. Balashiva, I hope you are understanding the idea. Is it clear? That rule is not only applicable for 7, that is also applicable for 13. Divisibility rule for 13. Divisibility rule for 13. Remainder 1. 10 power 3 divided by 13. 13 ones are 13 minus 3. Minus 3 cube is minus 27. So it is minus 1. 13 ones are 13 minus 3. Minus 3 cube is minus 27. It is minus 1. Same logic. आप कुछ भी मत करो sir. Just see by using, read the question. What is the least number when divided by 3, 5, 6, 8, 7 and 12 leaves in case a remainder 2, but when divided by 13 leaves no remainder. Divided by 13 it gives no remainder. More than 3 digits keep a slash. 586 plus and minus. Rambabu, minus 1 is 585. 585 divided by 13. 13 fours are 52. 65. 13 fives are 65. A very difficult question became very easy because of divisibility rule for 13. Divisibility rule for 13. I hope it is clear. Divisibility rule for 13. I hope it is clear. Yaar Faraz, I have told you many sessions, please reduce your messages. Same message you will type as many times as possible. I am not that dumb enough not to understand the English sentence, and I don't need twice or thrice. One time if you say that, please don't keep on telling the same thing again and again. Once you tell, I will understand when you are coming from. I will also understand who are all the serious students listening into the class. What are all good doubts that you are asking? Who are all the teachers attending the class? यार मैं 15 साल से ये काम कर रहा हूं बेटा. One time it is clear. 585. Shiva, I hope it is clear. Always trust the experience. Experience matters. So answer is 1586. Next, another question. Till now what we did, positive reminders are same. Positive reminders are same. What is the second step we did? Negative reminders are same. Negative reminders are same. Third thing, neither the positive remainder nor the negative reminders are same. Neither positive remainder nor negative reminders are same. I hope Faraz will not say that his display is not working. Right? Positive reminders are same. This is over. Negative reminders are, oh, I expected. Okay, right. Negative reminders are same. Neither the positive reminder nor the negative reminders are same. Little bit difficult. I will try to make it in a single step. I will try to make it in a single step. LCM model 8. LCM model 8. Now listen carefully. LCM model 8. LCM model 8. Now see here, solution. First traditional method, then method 2, Anil Nayar's approach. Anil Nayar's approach. Method 1 you will find it in textbook. Method 2, Anil Nayar's approach. Anil Nayar's approach. Now see here, a number when divided by 7, 8, 9, positive reminders are 2, 4 and 6. 2, 4 and 6. Number when divided by 7, 8, 9, positive reminders are 2, 4, 6. Negative reminders will be 2 minus 7 minus 5, 8 minus 4, 4 minus 8 minus 4, 6 minus 9 minus 3. 6 minus 1 minute. Anand is saying something. Let me go back. Right. Anand, good that you have pointed out. Anand says it is divisible by 13. We have checked only option D. Let us check other options. I have checked only this condition. Now I will check this condition also. Anand, good that you have pointed out. This condition also I will check it out. Or what we will do is, yes, I think if there is any other number which will be divisible, 13 2s are 26, 52. It is divisible by 13. 13 7s are 91. 13 4s are 52. 1562. It is not divisible. So we are struck with 3 options here. I only did option 2, I think. Good that he has pointed out. D is 1586. All the 3 are divisible by 13. Right? Now what is the next case? What is the next case? It is giving you, this is nothing but LCM of 3, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12. It gives a remainder 2. This is divisible by 3. 3k plus 2. 6 is divisible by 3. Right? It is eliminated. Next is, what is the another thing? It is 4k plus 2. Another thing we are struck here is, it should be 5k plus 2. It is 5k plus 1. So previous question answer is 962 but not 1586. My mistake. Please correct it. Thanks a lot, Jaswant, for pointing out. I just used statement 2. I just used statement 2. I hope the idea is clear. Zoya, you can ask a doubt. Anand, thank you beta for pointing out the calculation mistake. A disclaimer in my class, if I do any calculation mistake, right, please take care of it. Logic wise, I will never go wrong. Thank you, Jaswant. I hope you got the idea. There are 3 options which are divisible by 13. I have seen only one option, but the entire idea is to tell you the divisibility rule for 13. This is the entire idea. This is the entire idea. Zoya, you can ask a doubt. I hope it is clear. Kindly reply in the live chat if it is clear to you. I hope you understood how to use the divisibility rule for 13. Kindly reply it in the live chat. Kindly reply if it is in the live chat. Everybody, students from Pullaya College of Engineering, students from other colleges, kindly reply in the live chat if it is clear to you. If it is clear to you. I hope you all understood the gist of it. It's a calculation mistake. Everybody please reply. Everybody please reply. Maheshwar Reddy, I taught you one thing. Pinpoint exactly what you wanted to convey. Pinpoint the issue. Everybody clear, right? Next one. Next one. Idea clear? Next one. Now we are at this one. This question will take 5 minutes to solve if I go by the equation approach. If I go by the equations approach, you have to do a lot of equations. Now, Anil Nayar's approach. Listen carefully. Sir, please listen carefully to this point. Anil Nayar's way. A number is divided by 7, 8 and 9. Positive reminders are 2, 4 and 6. Listen carefully, sir. These are a number is divided by 7. Remainder is 2. A number is divided by 8. Remainder is 4. A number is divided by 9. Remainder is 6. These are called as the divisors. These are called as the reminders. Now write down this point. If the difference between the divisors or if the difference between the reminders is k times the difference between the divisors, kth step negative remainder will be same. Kth step negative remainder will be same. Kth step negative remainder will be same. Please write down this point. Write down this point. If the difference between the reminders is k times the difference between the divisors, then in kth step negative remainder will be same. If the difference between the reminders is k times the difference between the divisors, then in kth step negative remainder will be same. Then in kth step negative remainder will be same. What is this? I will explain it in a mathematical expression. I hope it is clear. Now we will solve the question using this concept. A number is divided by 7, 8 and 9. Positive reminders are 2, 4 and 6. 2, 4 and 6. Difference is 2. Here the difference is 1. 2 is 2 times 1. 2 is 2 times 1. What is this 2? This is the difference between the reminders. What is this one? This is the difference between the divisors. 2 times 1. That means in the second step of negative remainder, I will get the same negative remainder. First step, negative remainder. 2 minus 7 minus 5. 4 minus 8 minus 4. 6 minus 9 minus 3. Second step of negative remainder. How you got minus 5? 2 minus 7 is minus 5. Minus 5 minus 7 is minus 12. Minus 4 minus 8 is minus 12. Minus 3 minus 9 is minus 12. So answer is LCM of 7, 8, 9 into k minus 12. 7, 8, 9 into k minus 12. Listen carefully. Otherwise, you will think that This question you will leave it, but there is a better approach to it. 7, 8, 9, 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. Difference is nothing but 2. 7, 8, 9. Difference is nothing but 1. 2 times is 2 is 2 times 1. That means in the second step, the negative remainder will be same. 2 minus 7 minus 5. 4 minus 8 minus 4. 6 minus 9 minus 3. Second step, how you got minus 12? 2 minus 7 is minus 5. Minus 5 minus 7 is minus 12. Minus 4 minus 8 is minus 12. Minus 3 minus 9 is minus 12. So answer is LCM of 7, 8, 9 into k minus 12. In some steps, negative remainder is same. In some steps, negative remainder will be same. In some steps, negative remainder will be same. A very beautiful question, which is an extremely time consuming question. But if you know it, if you understand the logic, directly you can go to the answer. Directly you can go to the answer. I hope it is clear. We will do one more. If I put k value 1, 72, answer for this question is 492. Answer for this question is 492. Srikanth, I will do one more question for you. Now see, one more question. What is the least number when divided by 10, 11, 12? Positive reminders are 1, 4 and 7. 1, 4 and 7. 1, 4, 7. What is the gap? 3. What is the gap here? 1. So 3 is 3 times 1. 3 is 3 times 1. 3 times 1 means in the third step the negative remainder will be same. In the third step negative remainder will be same. First step, 1 minus 10 is minus 9. 4 minus 11 is minus 7. 7 minus 12 is minus 5. First step over. Second step, everything subtracted from the divisor. Minus 9 minus 10 minus 19. Minus 7 minus 11 minus 18. Minus 5 minus 12. It is minus 17. Third step, minus 19 minus 10 minus 29. Here also minus 29. Here also minus 29. So answer for this question is LCM of 10, 11, 12 into k minus 29. I hope, Srikanth, it is clear. Right. Srikanth has asked a very good doubt which I will discuss right now. Right? Good. Where all it is confused, please watch the video again, Harshit. Confusion is good. When people are confused is the first point to reach the last point, that is clarity. Clarity is the output, confusion is the input. I am happy that you are confused. When you are confused only, you will try to see clarity. These are not my lines. These are the lines of someone whom I follow immensely, that is Jiddu Krishnamurti. Right? Now, for me, the only thing which I wanted to take is Srikanth's doubts, which is valid. Right? Harita, don't ask me to tell the answers, ma. Right? I hope it is clear, right? Now, I will take out Srikanth's doubts. Any question which I think is valid, that should be discussed in the class. Srikanth's doubt is valid, so we will discuss that one. Let us take a question. A number when divided by 7, positive remainder is 6. A number when divided by 13, positive remainder is 1. Questions. Smallest 3-digit number, largest 2-digit number. Smallest 3-digit number, largest 2-digit number. Largest 2-digit number. This for you, Srikanth. Right? Now see here. A number when divided by 6, positive remainder is 6. A number when divided by 13, positive remainder is 1. Positive remainder is not same. Negative remainder is not same. Number of steps also it will not work. Solution. I will do 2 problems. A number when divided by 7, quotient is, we don't know, x. Remainder is 6. Dividend equivalent to divisor into quotient plus remainder. There is a number when it is divided by 13, remainder is 1. Number when divided by 13, remainder is 1. Both will represent the same quotient, same numerical value. 7x plus 6 equivalent to 13b plus 1. 7x equivalent to 13b minus 5. 7x equivalent to 14b minus of 5 plus b. Can I write like this? 7x is divisible by 7. 14b is divisible by 7. 5 plus b should be divisible by 7. So b minimum value is 2. B minimum value is 2. If b minimum value is 2, what is the value that will become minimum value? 13 2s are 26 plus 1, 27. 27 is the lowest value. Every time it is getting divided by 7 and 30. So the form of the answer is 27 plus LCM of 7 comma 13 into k. 7 comma 13 into k. This is for you, Srikanth. A number when divided by 7, positive remainder is 6. Dividend equivalent to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So n is 7x plus 6. A number when divided by 13, remainder is 1. 13b plus 1. 13b plus 1. 13b plus 1. So 7x plus 6 equivalent to 13b plus 1. 7x equivalent to 13b minus 5. The 7x equivalent to 14b minus of 5 plus b. This is divisible by 7. This is divisible by 7. This should be divisible by 7. 5 plus b is divisible by 7. B minimum value is 2. B minimum is 2. The value is 27. The value is 27. 27. Every time it is divisible by 7 and 13. Every time it is divisible by 7 and 13. So answer for this question is 91 plus 27. Lowest number is, smallest 3-digit number is 91 plus 27. 118. 118. Smallest largest 2-digit number is 27. In fact, 27 is also incorrect. There cannot be largest 2-digit number because k value is 0. If k is 0, quotient is 0. If quotient is 0, the division is not happening. But the question is saying that it is divided by 7 and gives remainder 6. Gives remainder 6. 7x is divisible by 7. 14b is divisible by 7. 5 plus b should be divisible by 7. Lowest multiple of 7 is 7. So b value is 2. B value is 2. 5 plus b is 7. So b value is 2. Right? Now, is it clear? One more example on the two reminders. Right? Write down one more. Find the series. If you observe in fourth step, negative remainder will be same. You don't need to do that. Go by the equation approach. A number, when divided by 8, it gives a remainder 2. A number, when it divided by 9, it gives a remainder 8. 8a plus 2 equivalent to 9b plus 8. 8a equivalent to 9b plus 6. So 8a equivalent to 8b plus b plus 6. I hope you got an idea. Divisible by 8, divisible by 8. B minimum value is 2. B minimum value is 2. Because b plus 6 is 8. B minimum is 2. So the value is 9 2s are 18 plus 8 26. So answer is 26 plus LCM of 8 comma 9 into K. 26 plus 8 comma 9 into K. Positive reminders are same. Negative reminders are same. In some steps, negative reminders are same. In some steps, negative reminders are same. What if the reminders are not same? I hope it is clear. Anyway, Srikanth has asked, instead of solving it, I will show him how to frame the equations. A number, when divided by 7 and 8 and 9, positive reminders are, Srikanth, for you. Positive reminders are 2, 4, 6. So the first equation is 7a plus 2. Second equation is 8b plus 4. First do this with this. 7a equivalent to 8b plus 2. 7a equivalent to 7b plus b plus 2. This is divisible by 7, divisible by 7. B minimum value is 5. If b minimum is 5, 8 5s are 40 plus 4, 44. So the equation for the first and second is 44 plus LCM of 7 comma 8 into K. Then frame the equation with the third one. 56K plus 44 equivalent to 9C plus 6. 9C equivalent to 56K plus 38. 9C equivalent to 54K plus 36 plus 2 into K plus 1. Divisible by 9, divisible by 9, divisible by 9. K minimum is 8. I hope you got the idea. I hope. I will try my level best not to skip any good question that are asked during the class. 7a plus 2 equivalent to 8b plus 4. 8b is plus 2. I hope it is clear.